simple the way to design the business card. Okay. Business card is not a piece of the paper. Business card is not a piece of the paper. Business card is our life of the business. Life of the business. The reason it carries total your business in the business card. Should be very careful. How the business card carries our life of the business life. If you give to someone the business card, he is not supposed to throw. If you give to someone, he is not supposed to throw business card. But courtesy, for respect, they take the card, they throw after some time, may not be throwing in front of you. Why is doing? As a designer, you try to put a more colors to impress you the people. But everybody has his own perception of the colors, acceptance of the colors. Everybody has their own acceptance and perception of the colors. So you cannot make the business card by keeping everybody's mindset. You need to create a business card your own way. It works to suit your business. That is important, the business card designing. Majority business card fails to get the business and convert into the leads. The big reason is colorful card. No colorful card will get the business. It attracts to take the card, later it throw out the card. The simple is a plain color. Before that, you need to understand the business card. You know that nature is having 5 elements. It has very nice balance. Our house has the 5 elements. We understand how to balance. Our body has the 5 elements. We understand how to balance. Doctor knows, our spiritual person knows how to balance our 5 elements. Building has the 5 elements, body has the 5 elements, nature has the 5 elements, everything has the 5 elements. In the business card also is a piece of paper designed using elemental balance theory. How to balance? First of all, you need to make 5 divisions into the business card. 5 parts. One part comes the white is a space. Second is the blue is the water. Third is the green is air. Red is the other one is red is the fire, yellow is the earth. There are the 5 elements in the business card. First, decide better to go with a single color is a white. Better color, single color is a white. If you are looking the colors into the 2 colors, mandatory, you make the off. You make the off. For example, the bottom part, no water color. Bottom part, no water color. What is the water color? Blue. No water color in the bottom. Why? If you use a water color here to here, if you use the water color in this area, when you use the card, you will take advantage, he will not pay you back. You will be comfortable, okay, it has a good money, and he will not pay you back. The credit limit increases. Recovery is a problem in the business. Then the owner will not have the more confidence because he is not getting the recovery. He is calling to his clients, he is not getting responses, he is losing his confidence, he is losing his relaxation, he is losing his money. And also he is losing his patience. It is effect on his business. So that indication, no water color means no blue. And top, no red color. Red means red group. Red, orange, pink, yellow. Red, orange, pink, yellow. It cannot be allowed. Red, orange, pink, yellow. It is very important here. The top. If you are going the colors, what happens? Red color if you use this, you don't have the clarity what you are doing. You are doing with the force or you influence. Then you see the lot of opportunity scope in your business, but you are very poor in converting into the leads into the business. You see the lot of opportunities, but you will not do that. Then your business is very nice, The similar kind of business somebody is doing great, but you are not doing great because it is not attracted by the clients. If use these colors in the top, that is the main color theory in the business card. Don't use the colors in the business card. If you want to use mandatory, no blue, everything is fine. No red, orange, yellow in the top. This is a secret when you design the card. Now next. Now first in the business cards, company name. Company name should start here. Option or and person name can be logo. Card should be very simple in the one page, one side, only name and company name, person name, contact details. When you give the company name is bigger, don't give anything. Give the person name and logo and phone number. Rest you can go to the back, give the whatever you want. Sometimes you can add a services also. This is the whenever you are using again color theory, this is a bottom. Whenever you use a name, the letters, text of the letters should not be watercolor. When you are using anything of, don't in the fire color. Majorly two color, water and fire is a play major role in the business cards. Person name always in the center here. Best option. Other option is here. When you put in the person name in this location, compulsory blue or black. No other colors will be accepted. This is the main principles when you design the business card.
Sir, ఒకవేళ లోగోలో రెడ్ కలర్ వస్తే
No problem. The logo is here. This is the area called attraction.
ఏ కలర్ అయినా రావచ్చు.
Now, but light colors are very good.
ఓకే.
But logo can be reflect your business. Your business is like a file, like a related business, restaurants, hotels. Should be red color. Huh?
గోల్డ్ లోగో అయినా పెట్టుకోవచ్చు.
Anything. Just you can take the color. If you are doing the gold business or whatever. One more thing, some secret. This part of the card, no green. This part of the card, no green. Bottom part. One more thing, just I'll.
రెండు పార్ట్నర్స్ నేమ్ కావాలంటే
Usually back.
Sir will send.
Now, some people will give the banner here. Most of the things down at top they give the banner, right? Some strip, banner strip should not be anti-element. Should not be anti-element. Then, if you are giving some color of the element, then text should be a friend of element. Please, text can be the friend element. If you are giving the banner fire element, banner is a fire element, letter should be the friendly element. Then it works. The same principle works in the brochure designing, website designing, or pamphlet designing and poster designing and cutout, banners, everything it helps out. But you need to start always you suggest to your friends one thing. Let them make a sample business card. Let them circulate for 1 month. See the result. See the result. Perfectly you will get it answer. Then you can start do small changes based on the feedback. Final card. My card took the 12 years to come into this present card. Reason I do lot of research on that card for along with others. I finished the card some 2-3 years ago. The same card will be distributed. So when you do the corporate consultation with the clients or the owners or the employee, anything, check the logo. We are not a logo designer. We are what Vastu consultant can do, how to accommodate a colors and text. How to accommodate a colors and text on the card, it expertise by the Vastu consultant. What is the text? Is address, is the person name, is a company name, is a tagline, or is the logo? What is the color of the logo? What is the business? That is important. Majority of things, for example, I use my logo, always I use here. The reason, I am a Vastu consultant. I use the Vastu Purusha as the logo. I just put a trademark, I register a trademark. When I use the Vastu Purusha as a logo, it should be it is in the northeast. Then I should be very comfortable what I am talking. Because this location is create clarity what you do. Whatever you put in this, you get a clarity what you do. Please. If you give the mobile number here, the people call you to inquiry. You understand logic? You get a phone calls for the inquiry, cold calls will more. They take advantage of your business card. It's very tactic in the business card. You get a cold calls, not real call. You put your name here, you will get a more visibility.
Phone number.
You can give the next line. You can give the phone number. Particular, you are the owner. Give your name, this part or this part. You are marketing person. Give the year. You need to look into the what you do in the business and what is the purpose of the business. It is important. Back side of the card also same pattern. You can give the address and details, whatever you like. That is a main important thing here.
The back side is the address.
Back side address is good. Front side when you see